Friend, welcome back to my channel. This video is very important because today I bring a very special remedy that will help to reduce the hair fall and regrow your hair. Nowadays, hair fall is very common problem, but we don't know what is the reason. It can be unhealthy diet or excessive oil in the food. So try to take the proper diet and take extra care on your hair. And friends, if you did not subscribe to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. The main ingredient is castor oil. Castor oil promotes hair growth and it prevents hair breakage and treat the hair loss. And it makes the hair extra thicker. And castor oil also improves scalp circulation. Now take 3 tablespoons of castor oil. After that, take a ginger. Ginger boosts hair growth and reduce the hair loss, and ginger makes the hair soft and shiny, and ginger juice get rid of dandruff. I grate the ginger and take out the juice. Now take 3 to 4 tablespoons of ginger juice. At last, take 1 egg. Egg can work very well on your damaged hair, as hair is made up 70% keratin protein, so egg can be used to rebuild damaged and dry hair. And egg makes the smooth and moisturized hair, and it makes the hair strong, soft and silky. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Now apply it on your hair for 1 hour and wash it off with mild shampoo. And for the best result, use this remedy once a week. My friends, using this remedy, it will give you long, strong and silky hair. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching this video.